Fix critical process died blue screen error on your PC. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to fix critical process died blue screen error. So the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and let's dive into the video without wasting any time. There are some possible solutions that you can try to fix this error and get your PC to boot normally. Here are some of them. Unplug any necessary devices from your PC such as external webcams, printers, scanners, etc. Sometimes these devices can interfere with your computer system and cause the error. Use Startup Repair to fix issues with your computer's boot process. You can access this feature by booting your PC from a bootable Windows 11 media drive and then selecting the next Repair Your Computer Troubleshoot Advanced options and then restart Startup Repair. Update your device drivers to the latest versions. Outdated drivers can cause compatibility issues and lead to the error. You can update your drivers manually or use a third-party tool to do it automatically. Run a virus scan to check for any malware or threats that might be affecting your system's files. You can use Windows, Defenders, or any other antivirus software that you trust. Run the System File Checker SFC utility to scan and repair any corrupted or missing system files. To do this, open a command prompt as administrator and type SFC/scan now and hit enter. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PC. Now the last thing is that you run the check disk utility to check and repair any errors on your hard drive. To do this, open a command prompt as administrator and type chdsk/r and hit enter. Wait for the process to complete and restart your PC. I hope these steps help you resolve the error and get your PC working again. If you need more help, you can leave in the comment section. Thank you very much for staying with me. See you again.